Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Bremer bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge, and bring up the search bar and type in Bremer bank login and hit the search. You'll be taken to the new interface. Make sure guys it takes you to the official link www.bremer.com. Just click on that first link. Now you'll be taken to the official website of Bremer. At the top right of your screen you can see the login button. Just click on that login button to log in. Now from over here you can choose the account type and the online system. For now I'm choosing the personal banking and the online system is online banking, and just click on the login button. Now guys, you'll be directly taken to the login page of Bremer account. Over here you just need to enter your user ID and just click on continue button. After that you will be taken to the new interface again. Over there you just need to enter the password, and once you click on login button you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your user ID, just click on forgot user ID to recover your user ID. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.